T2. Ano raw to? T2. T2. So, iba. Wow. Wow. Ang descriptive. Ooh. Think I want this. Candidate number 1. Gorgeous sleeves. Okay. Pasado na siya. Parang pageant ng mga tsaa. Paso Beach. New York breakfast. Morning sunshine. Okay, gusto ko din to. Convince me, see. Earl Grey. Okay, ito na nga siya. Also, I like the color. Actually, it caught my eye. So, ito yung tatlong candidate natin is si. So, mamimili ko ako kung alin dito sa tatlong tsaa na to yung iinumin ko. Pero ayokong tumingin based sa flavor. Parang ginawa ko siyang tea pageant. So, based on what is written in front or back. I don't know. Basta yung may quote. Yan. So, ito si contestant number 1. Do something to drink for your future self. Will thank you. Contestant number 2. I don't know where I'm going from here. But it won't be without tea.
Did you order?
Contestant number 3. Do good and good tea will come to you. Tapos, tinanong ko yung friend ko kanina. Actually, nakita ko pa lang ito na dito siya sa likod. Ito na, parang tinatawag na ako ng color eh. So, sabi din ng friend ko ito. Congratulations! Scented green tea. So, siya ay si China Jasmine. Wow. I can show you the world. Pero China. China. Okay. Yay! Congrats! Yay! Chocolate! got a rabbit.
Oh my gosh, Kuya, sorry.
Why did you rush through the fish?
Shouldn't have rushed it. You know what they say when the fish slaps you.
Something you said is untrue.
Have you been liking it yet?
Well, I mean, there was that one time when I said that the fish ate your ice cream.
Huh? Yeah, the fish like it went there and then like I was like, where's
It wasn't the fish, it was me. I think that's why they slapped me in the face, because they felt betrayed when I told them. I'm sorry. I mean, you know, it's all water on the bridge, you know what they say. If you eat someone's ice,
get ready to die? Get ready to die!
I'm sorry, ginamit ko kasi very, you know, in the weather in this new country kasi hindi makapag-adapt ang Filipino skin. Pwede mo naman gamitin, pero yun naman na rin, hindi nabawas na.
Eh, ba't may kagat?
Kasi siya eh. Sorry.
Eh, bakit yung pag ginanon ko? Wala na ako.
I'm sorry. Bili na lang tayo ng bago. Well, you know what they say, in a new country, you can all, you know what they say, in a new country,
There's always a freebie.
yes!
Sige.
Sa Japan,
Oo, sa Japan. Tapon ko na to.
tapon yun. Agad ko na yun.
Dito.
Ayan.
Segregate ka tayo, diba?
Free.
Free?
Wondering how that's
Oo.
7
Uy,
days tayo dito.
bakit parang binulsa mo lahat?
7 days tayo dito. So, kaya natin 7 chopsticks. Siyempre, masarap siya eh. In Japan.
Kakainin mo ba? Isa-isa?
Oo, yan yung bagay sa
Every day?
Japan. Oo.
Sa bagay, no? You know what they say? 1 chopsticks a day.
Keeps your tummy at bay. Gusto ko hindi ako okay na.
Marami ko na naman natututunan sa'yo. O sige, o
Ang part na itinerary natin bukod sa chopstick hunting.
Fuji.
Mount Fuji. Ay, trip din Mount Fuji. Grabe, ang ganda.
Teka lang, selfie muna tayo.
Nice! Mas maganda yung itsura. Well, pansin ko mas maganda picture niya, no? Kaysa sa actual.
Oo nga.
You know what they say, what you see in the photos.
Is our the photos.
Tama! It's the same. What the photo is, that's also the photo.
Yes.
Punta pa tayo sa other part of Japan.
Temple.
Temple. Sisindi ako ng chopstick. Multi-place.
You know what they say? Kapag may mint,
You just have to pray and mint it.
yes, yes, indeed.
Lord, what will that? Yes, do that. Basta multi-religious ng temple.
Okay, kasi punta naman tayo
Tayo
sa...
sa train, sa bullet train. Bullet train. Grabe! Ang bilis yun sa bullet train! Parang hindi ako makahinga. Grabe. Sabi ko, ano dito sa bullet train? You know what they say? If hindi ka makahinga,
Eh di, wala ako. Pahinga.
kaya nakakawal dito eh.
Saan na?
Ano pa tayo ibang
Sige, sige.
Sa
Tayo
Shibuya.
Shibuya.
Tatlo na tayo. Ready na?
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh.
Okay, selfie!
Sabi na yan, grabe!
Ay, grabe!
Grabe kayo sa tayo.
Kuya, nasa gisa!
Oy, yun sa Japan.
Kuya, di ko pala kayo yung interview sa mga car?
High-tech talaga dito sa Japan. Kaya talaga mo siya, hindi siya.
Ang sakit!
Okay nga, kaya
You know what they say. If there's an ambulance,
It's time to dance!
Question. Anong ilalagay kong filter dito para gawin ko siyang para makita ko yung naka alphabet. Ayan, tsaka to. Kasi siya lang lumalabas eh. Ayan o. Walang iba. Diba meron pa si the other salesperson. So, hindi siya lumalabas. So, anong lalagay kong filter? Thank you! Oh.
I had a feeling. I could see you were going to bite.
Aww.
Don't bite my finger. You'll actually tear it off.
Huh, look at the curiosity in its face. It has a neck, but it doesn't have a face. Cute. Look at those eyelashes.
Biggest eyelashes. Oh, oh,
Oh.
oh, oh, oh.
What? What you doing? What?
Are you scratching your butt? Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to come closer.
Ito yung view. Tada! O, yung mga sinampay. I bought that shorts for 450, supposedly for 1.5. Wala lang, pinagyabang ko lang. Such a good buy. Eh? Kasi hindi makita, puro tent. Yeah. So nice. Tapos may yung sunset doon. Wee! Ganun.
No. Ano po siya gi
Here is me doing work also. Yay, I got paid yesterday. I'm so happy. Yay. What? Let's see. Hi. Dito ka. Up, up. Oh, wow. Look at you. So foggy. Oh. Oh. Wow. Lexi Pogi. No. Not for Lexi. Oh, very good. Hi! Behave. Sa damuhan siya nagwiwiwi. Good girl. Very demure. Ikaw din, ikaw din. Hehehe. Sit. Hindi siya nag-sit, be. Hindi siya nag-sit, be. Ito binigay. Yay!
sit. Sit. Sit.
Sarap po.
Very good. Bilis ko kumain today, ha?
How about
Pinipili.
you? Ang cute na lagyan siya sa ilong. Dinidilaan mo lang. Didilaan niya lang yung parang may... Okay. Ikaw. Very good. Ayaw mo na?
Ayaw na.
Ayaw mo na?
Lagi siya nagtitira.
Naka-video to. Yee! Sinox ba to?
Tigilan ba tayo? Kasi ito.
Hala, enjoy siya.
Gusto niya sa puwet. Ganito. Ganito. Ayan.
Ah!
Bababa. Wow.
Fluffy ka?
Tinataas
Come
niya.
here. Fluffy! Ayaw niya. Pumasok sa cabinet.
Oreo.
May meow pa. Ano yun? Ano yan? Sino yan?
Sabi niya, mama, sino to?
Sino yan?
Sino bata to?
Sino yan? Sino yan?
Ipa.
Akala ko ba tonight lang yung ticket? Today lang yung
Saan na?
puntahan ng...
Saan na? Wait. Kailan yun?
Wala, tapos malalaglag sa ulo niya, no? Swipe.
Catch!
Ay, nahuli.
Ha?
Walang arugula, alfalfa lang.
Sige.
Yeah, tonight nga, November 19.
Damihan na lang nila kamo. Yung pa naman yung masarap.
Yes po.
Pwede pa sa ibang branch. yung may arugula.
May arugula.
The branch that has
Pwede ba
arugula.
bumili muna kayo sa marketplace?
Double portion na lang yung alfalfa.
Mama, look at
Yeah.
pa.
Okay, sige. Okay lang. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Hindi pong less 50.
Usually, hindi yan napapakita sa tao eh. Pero ngayon nasasanay na yata siya. Di ba si Fag?
Oo, dati ayaw. Si
Ayun
Lumos,
o, nagbe-belly up na nga siya oh.
yung isa, ano pa rin.
Si Fluffy, tsaka, ayun, Fluffy, come here.
Yan na. That's good improvement na, in fairness.
Na nagpapakita siya.
Oo. Dati tago agad yun.
Anti-social cat. Ano yun? Introvert.
Takot lang. Just comment na.
Si Lumos ang...
Hi. Those are the eyes of someone who wants mochi. But it's bad for you. Please. Mochi is bad for you.
Kasi heavenly orphans.
1, 2, 3, go!
Orphans!
Let's maganda ganun.